Be honest, what remarkable feat had you accomplished when you were just 16 years old? Well, prepare to be shocked, because in today's video, we will tell you the incredible story of Esther Okade, a British-Nigerian whiz kid so brilliant that many people think her achievements are too good to be true. If you saw Esther Okade when she was a child, you would agree that nothing was outstanding about her at first glance. Like her peers, she loved playing with Barbie dolls, dressing up as Elsa from Frozen, and going shopping with her family. But beneath this ordinary facade lay a remarkable gift, an understanding of mathematics so profound that it would definitely have impressed great mathematicians of the past like Pythagoras, Archimedes, and Euler. Esther Okade was born in 2006 to Paul and Omonefe Okade and was raised in Walsall, UK. Her brilliance in mathematics was clear at an early age. At just 3 years old, she was already tackling quadratic equations many adults still can't solve. It didn't take long for Esther's mom, Omonefe, a mathematician herself, to realize that her daughter was not your average child. Esther's parents enrolled her in a private school when she was a toddler, but after a few short weeks, Esther opted out of the school because she said they weren't allowing her to express herself enough. Her mother then decided to homeschool her when she was just 3, a decision that proved life-changing. At age 6, while most kids are still grasping basic arithmetic, Esther was already preparing for her GCSEs, a British high school qualification typically taken by teenagers. She scored a C in math on her first attempt, but retook the test a year later and scored an impressive A-. At this point, news of Esther's genius had started spreading and was catching the attention of academic institutions. When Esther was just 7, the prestigious University of Cambridge offered her a place in their maths program, and young Esther was eager to accept. However, her parents decided to continue homeschooling her so she could nurture her potential in a personalized setting, and this gamble paid off spectacularly. In 2015, at age 10, Esther caught the world's attention when she became the UK's youngest undergraduate student at the time. She officially enrolled at Open University, a UK-based distance learning college, for a financial mathematics degree. Within weeks, she was already topping her class full of adults after scoring a perfect 100% on her first test. When CNN interviewed her, she described the test as too easy, a prodigy indeed. 3 years later, Esther graduated with a first-class bachelor's degree in financial mathematics. And at age 16, she bagged her Ph.D. in financial mathematics from the same institution. What an incredible achievement for a 16-year-old. This is where Esther's story gets even more inspiring. With her newfound fame, she didn't just relax and bask in the glory. Esther revealed some pretty big dreams, first owning a bank because she loved numbers and helping people. But that's not all. Would you believe the prodigy also started writing books? Yes, she wrote a series of math workbooks for children called Yummy Yummy Algebra, aimed at making math more accessible and fun for younger audiences. The young genius even went further by deciding to give back to her native Nigeria. Together with her parents, she founded the Shakespeare Academy in Nigeria's Delta region. This school's curriculum is one of a kind. It includes not only traditional subjects like math, science, and languages, but also entrepreneurship, public speaking, ethics, and even etiquette. The Shakespeare Academy was designed to emulate the teaching methods that worked for Esther Okade rather than focus on one way of learning. What an incredible impact from such a young girl. Her journey is a reminder to us all that genius isn't age-specific. From solving quadratic equations as a toddler to bagging a Ph.D. in maths at 16, Esther has shown the world that everything is possible if we embrace our talents and aim for greatness, no matter how young or old we may be. So, what role do you think unconventional education methods, like homeschooling, played in Esther's success?